आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate. Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, across the highways of India, something sacred is unfolding. Lakhs of Kanwariyas are walking with soaked clothes, cracked heels, and the sound of Har Har Mahadev echoing through the air. They are not tourists, they are not protesters, they are pilgrims. They don't demand headlines, they don't ask for luxury, they only ask for dignity. And yet this week, glass was scattered on their route in Delhi to target them. An FIR had to be filed after some people scattered shards of glass on a kilometer-long stretch. In Muzaffarnagar, a man spat on a devotee's cover. In Ghaziabad, a speeding car broke through the procession and injured 3 Kanwariyas. These are not random incidents, these are warnings. These are reminders of how the most sacred, peaceful expression of devotion is being poked, prodded, and provoked. And it's being stereotyped. And what is the outrage directed at? Not at those throwing glass, not at those insulting rituals, but at a QR code. Yes, a QR code. The UP government said that food vendors on the Kanwar route should display a simple sticker showing their name and identity. Not because of hate, not because of profiling, but because lakhs of devotees are fasting and following strict dietary rules. And they deserve to know who is serving them food. What's wrong with it? That's it. That's the story. But the usual suspects, they went running to court. They claim privacy is under threat. They claim the community is being targeted. Where was this justification when halal certification quickly expanded into halal cosmetics, halal chocolates, halal flour, halal beverages, even the demand for halal cement and halal toothpaste? Where was this sudden love for privacy when lakhs of rupees are charged by private bodies to issue halal tags that affect what 85% of India eats? When lipstick gets a halal label, no one blinks. But when a QR code shows who made you a roti during a fast, it suddenly becomes extremely dangerous. You see, the problem is not the sticker, the problem is saffron. The problem for some people is Hinduism. The problem is Sanatan, the problem is chants of Har Har Mahadev echoing louder than the elite's silence. The problem is that this yatra does not need sponsors, banners, or celebrity endorsements. It needs no marketing. It moves on grit, on belief, on centuries of uninterrupted memory. It is India's living heritage, and some people cannot stomach that. These are the same people who claim to speak for harmony but never show up when glass is thrown on barefoot Hindu pilgrims. Yes, I will emphasize Hindu pilgrims. When a Kanwariya is hit, they disappear. But they hold press conferences when a QR code is pasted. But this is not about QR codes. This is fighting the idea of civilization, of India's civilizational history, of Hindu civilization, a civilization that cannot be broken. They are fighting Hinduism, a religion that outlives every attack, every insult, and every invasion. These are woke people. These are anti-Hindu woke people. Pseudo-secular, anti-Hindu woke people, but they will fail. Let them try, let them file their petitions, let them shout from the rooftops, because when the dust settles, and it always does, Sanatan stands with his head held high, because this civilization was not built in conference rooms. It was built on footpaths, on riverbanks, on chants and silence, on discipline and tapasya. You cannot fight Sanatan. You cannot shake what is rooted deeper than any fear, louder than any opposition, and older than every ideology that is trying to erase it. Let's debate.
On June 25, 2025, the UP government once again issued a directive ahead of the Kavar Yatra. The directive mandated eateries along the Kavar Yatra route to display a QR code that contained the information about the owners of the eatery. Today, the matter reached the Supreme Court of India once again, with petitioners challenging the UP government order. The petitioners argue that the new measures to display QR code once again compels the owners of eateries to identify names, which, according to them, leads to discriminatory profiling, something that the court had stayed by its order last year. Back then, the Supreme Court had observed that food sellers may be required to display kind of food, but must not be forced to display names of owners and staff employed.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज इस चीज को खुल के बोला है कि हम इस मैटर को ट्यूसडे को लिस्ट कर रहे हैं और हमारे साथ में और भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने इंटरवेंशन आईए फाइल की थी जिनको सब पर नोटिस कर दिया है कोर्ट में। पर हमारे में जो पार्टीज हैं वो 3 स्टेट है। सबसे पहले उत्तर प्रदेश, दूसरा है उत्तराखंड और इसके साथ में मध्य प्रदेश है। हालांकि कोर्ट के जो ऑर्डर था 22 जुलाई वाला, उसमें एनसीटी दिल्ली के बारे में भी लिखा हुआ है स्पष्ट, तो वह भी ऑटोमेटिकली समझ लिया जाएगा कि वह भी उस कोर्ट का ऑर्डर में कंप्लायंस है।
Today, the top court gave 1 week's time to the UP government and Uttarakhand government to reply to the application that is once again challenging the nameplate orders issued ahead of Kavar Yatra. The BJP says it's all about respecting religious sensibilities.
QR कोड के माध्यम से तो कहीं कोई कांवड़ यात्रियों के साथ में दुर्व्यवहार नहीं हो, कोई घटना नहीं हो, कोई अशांति फैलाने की कोशिश नहीं हो। अगर सुरक्षा की दृष्टि से कोई काम किया जाता है तो मुझे लगता है उसका कोई विरोध नहीं होना चाहिए।
Samajwadi Party, meanwhile, continues to call it discriminatory.
यात्रा जो लंबी होती है और ये अन्य धर्मों पर भी लागू होती है, ये सिर्फ हिंदू धर्म पर नहीं लागू होती है, अन्य धर्मों पर भी लागू होती है। उसमें मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जिसके पास इतना समय होगा, बहुत सारे नौजवान ऐसे भी होंगे, बहुत सारे ने कुछ भी होंगे, उनको जब लौट कर आएँ, आप योगी हैं, भोले बाबा के यात्रा से आ रहे हैं तो आशीर्वाद दे दीजिए, आशीर्वाद की पुष्प, नौकरी की पुष्प वर्षा कर दीजिए। तो अगर इस सरकार में नौजवानों के रोजगार की बात करना अपराध है तो अपराध कर दिया मैंने।
The UP police, however, continued to take action against anti-social elements, creating trouble during the Kavar Yatra.
जहाँ पे भी अराजक तत्वों के द्वारा तोड़फोड़ या ऐसी घटना की होती है उसमें औपचारिक रूप से पुलिस पहुंच के जो भी यहाँ पे श्रद्धालु हैं जिन्हें दिक्कत हो रही है उनको मदद पहुंचाती है और जो अराजक तत्व हैं उनके खिलाफ FIR करके विधिक कार्रवाई की जाती है।
With a week left for UP and Uttarakhand government to reply, will it be a repeat of 2024 with another stay order?
QR code controversy over the Kavar Yatra. What is the problem in a QR code? A QR code will reveal the name of the person who owns the food selling joint. If you have a QR code sticker, then it's a better way to identify the person. इसमें छुपाने वाली बात होनी ही नहीं चाहिए। क्यों शांतनु जी? There's nothing to hide. You may be Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, from any religion. Why do you want to hide your name?
Yeah.
You have to reveal your name. If you drive a taxi, you have to reveal your name.
If somebody is not revealing his name, the administration will take care of it.
What do you mean
Nobody
take
has the
care?
right to take law in their own hands. If somebody is doing some illegal activity,
No.
the police, the administration is there to take care of.
No.
Who are these vigilantes? Who has authorized them to go and check Aadhaar card? Who
Best
authorized
to do
them
it
to remove the
voluntarily.
public pant
So
and
then
check
best
what
to
is
do
his
it voluntarily,
religion?
Sir, why?
Who are they? And if the question is of hiding the name,
That's why
India
best
has
to do it
become the second
voluntarily.
export.
Listen, suppose now I ask you
And
this.
who are the, what is the
Waris,
name of the exporters?
Waris.
Atul Sabarwal, your friend. He Al Kabir export. Why does he keep the name of Al Kabir? Where is he a Hindu? Why Al Noor? Why Sunil Kapoor?
1 minute. The question
Why-
is,
why
the
MRK
question
can't
is,
put an abort-
Waris,
put an abort?
during
Why
the
do they
Kavar
keep their name
Yatra,
and
these
export?
are
They keep
these
slaughter
are
down the
Shiv
name
Bhakt
of
saying
Muslims.
Har Har Mahadev.
Ask their
Har Har
Aadhaar card.
Mahadev. They are Hindus. Now, if a Hindu says, I want to eat food
I don't
from
call everybody.
1 minute,
Few
1
of
minute.
them.
Is there
Few of
anybody?
them.
Is there
Few of
anybody?
them.
If a Hindu says, 1 minute. If a Hindu says, don't speak over me. If a Hindu says that during the yatra, I want to eat food from a dhaba owned by a Muslim, nobody will stop him. If he says that if the name of the dhaba is Al Kabir, I will eat in Al Kabir or Al Akbar or Al whatever, right? I will go and eat there, nobody will stop him. But a Hindu devotee, I submit, has the right to decide as much as a Muslim where he will eat. You can't tell a Hindu that because you are a Hindu and you are a Hindu devotee, I will force you to eat in a Muslim joint. You can't force.
Yeah.
Nobody can force
In this
anybody
country,
now.
for your
But
kind
nobody can
information,
force.
Hindus have some
Every
rights
person
too.
as an individual has a right
No,
to
I will
make
disguise you.
choice.
I will disguise you by being an
But here
imposter.
the question
Okay,
is of
1 minute.
vigilante.
What are you saying? Shantanu is countering you.
Because the
Shantanu is countering right now. I'm allowing the counter. Shantanu is countering right now. Shantanu is countering.
Arnab.
Yeah.
Who
Yeah.
has given
Exactly.
them the right to overturn?
Arnab, they are not saying force. They're saying we will disguise you. We will disguise you to eat in a Muslim shop. Not even force you. We'll disguise you. We'll cheat you. We will become an imposter. हम लोग शादाब होंगे लेकिन रेस्टोरेंट का नाम शिव ढाबा रख देंगे. That's the problem. That we will not force you. We will disguise you. We will cheat you. We will become an imposter. We will be something like the way we become Chintu Mintu. Like the way we become Chintu Mintu to marry Hindu girls. Here we become a Shiv Dhaba and a Vaishnav Dhaba. That's the problem. That's the problem.
Waris.
The Muslims in the name of this nameplate system, Arnab, that is the thing more than that. Every person has the right to eat food of his own choice.
When you call terrorist sympathizers on TV,
How can I eat food of my own choice?
that's the problem. When you call terrorist
You are a
sympathizers on TV,
you are a terrorist sympathizer. I am not. You may be a terrorist sympathizer. Waris Pathan is not.
Oh, come
and
on,
don't give
come
me a
on.
certificate
Your
of
boss
nationalism or patriotism
provided
of the
legal
channel.
aid to
Yes.
IS as terrorists.
I know what we are.
You know
Waris,
that?
Waris,
You know that?
Waris, Waris,
You know that?
did you
My
not
boss
sign?
went outside
Waris,
the country and to the whole
Waris,
world, he
Waris,
smashed Pakistan.
Waris, I don't want
And he said that
to,
also.
I don't want to change
My
the
boss went
subject,
to the
but
world
since
and
you are
he said what
speaking of
Pakistan is.
who is a terrorist sympathizer and who is not, did you not sign the mercy petition for Yaqub Memon?
No, I did not sign. Show me, don't lie. Show me. I have never
Are you
signed
sure?
any mercy petition for any terrorist. Forget about Yaqub Memon. Ram Jeth Malani, the then MP, the late Ram Jeth Malani was one of the signatories to it, who was the BJP's Rajya Sabha member. You won't take his name because it does not suit your agenda.
What is
Sir,
your
we are on a
agenda,
topic.
Waris?
Arnab, see,
Waris,
we
what
are
is
on
your
a topic
agenda?
which is a
1
very
minute.
important
Waris,
topic.
now,
We are
first of
talking
all,
about
don't shout
constitution.
again. Don't shout in an
Everybody
uncouth way like you all
everybody's
every time you
faith is
do.
to be respected.
Don't behave in an uncivilized Waris Pathan style of way. Listen to me. The fact is this. Hindu devotees cannot be targeted. Hindu processions being targeted. On Ram Navami, on all the time, especially during the auspicious month of Sawan, when the Kavariyas in their devotion, you must understand what Hindu devotees are doing. There is, first of all of you people on right and left must accept, there is a Hindu revival in this country. You may call it Hindu revivalism. It's very good. If there is Hindu revivalism, it's very good. Hindu pride, and you saw that during Hindu consolidation, Hindu assertion, Hindu pride, Hindu vocal tradition, Hindu civilizational heritage, and all of this is happening. आप क्यों irritated हो रही है समाजवादी की प्रवक्ता पूजा मिश्रा जी? हिंदू एकत्रीकरण हो रहा है तो आपको बुरा क्यों लग रहा है? Why are you against Hindu unity?
There is the caste politics.
1 minute, let me hear her.
The caste politics. वो चाहते हैं बटे ये लोग.
Biasness in your studio. That is louder than the DJs on the road. You're talking about the Hindus. Today, in the maximum of the state, there is BJP government. They are called the flag bearers of Hindu. In the center, it is the BJP government. They are called the flag bearers of Hindu. And who are in threat? The Hindus. Rather, this government is weaponizing the Hindus. Rather, they are weaponizing the Hindu dharma. You are not talking about what Kawadiyas did. And if displaying the name can make a
Why are you anti-Kawadiyas? What have they done?
There isn't need of any fasai.
Why are you anti-Hindu devotees? Why are you anti-Hinduism?
No, you are anti-Hinduism. You are weaponizing them. I appreciate them. I'm against those who follow lawlessness. I'm against those who just hit the girls. I'm against those who in Meerut broke the school bus. They are not the Kawadiyas. They are not the Hindus.
Okay, tell me, people. Tell me one thing. You are against lawlessness, did you say? Pooja.
I don't know why you are not talking about that.
Okay, Pooja, now you are against lawlessness?
Of course I'm against lawlessness.
Okay, then my counter to you, if you can hear me, please don't shout. Pooja, when in Purkazi town of Muzaffarnagar, a man called, listen to the full story, don't disturb. In Muzaffarnagar, a man called Usman, है ना, he starts spitting on Kawad during Kawad Yatra. थूकना शुरू किया इन्होंने, थूकना उन्होंने अरेस्ट कर दिया. Authorities arrested the man because it's a Yogi government. The man was arrested. In Akhilesh government, the man would not have been arrested.
We are deploying the police. The police will be there. We will take care of the Kawadiyas. Then what the police were doing? You are asking the question, how come this happened? This question should be asked to the police, to the authorities, to the government. They were, making propaganda that we are protecting the Kawadiyas. The rules will be glorified for them. They will be protected. Their procession will be protected. Now you are asking how does...
Okay, one minute. Pooja, I'm going to the next point. See, Pooja, I want to ask you, Pooja, do you have, personally, I don't know, whether you have any diet restrictions in this month, but many Hindus do. Okay. Now my question is to Mujibur Rahman.
In this month, at the same time, I have thinking restriction in this this month of Samana too.
Okay. Now Pooja, listen to me.
I can't break anyone's car. I can't beat a girl. I can't break a school bus. I can't do those stuff too.
Pooja, listen to me. Listen, understand. Hindus have dietary restrictions.
Spit on cover?
ठीक है, हिंदूज हैव डायरेटरी रेस्ट्रिक्शंस. अब कांवरियों को अगर कोई प्याज खिला दे, ये सीधा सवाल है ममता काले जी आपको, मुझे और आपके साथ एडवोकेट मुजीबुर रहमान है, तो इट विल हर्ट द रिलीजियस सेंसिबिलिटीज. अभी ऐसा भी इंसिडेंट हुआ है. व्हाई डोंट यू हियर मी ऑन दिस? यू मस्ट हियर. इफ कांवरियाज हैव गॉट एंग्री, दे ब्रोक फर्नीचर एट अ ढाबा. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे वर सर्व्ड अनियन इन देयर डिनर. ओके, सो and this became a case.
Out of this 15 Kawadiyas, only one plate has the onion.
No, I'm saying to you.
You did report that.
I'm saying to you. I'm saying to you. Pooja, 1 minute. Don't shout. No, Pooja, I'm not shouting. अब आराम से मैं मुजीबुर को, I'm going to Mujibur because you're not listening. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Pooja, I'm getting Mujibur and Tala. Mujibur and Tala on the right, and Madhuvanti and Mamta Kale on the left. Now, I'll tell you, ये अप्रोच को कहते हैं कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे अप्रोच. हम भारत में हम कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे. अभी अगर यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स में ममता हर रेस्टोरेंट को लाइसेंस दिखाना पड़ता है, उसमें नाम, एरिया, सब कुछ डिटेल दिखाना पड़ता है ना. यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स में कोई नहीं कह सकता है कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे, मगर भारत है.
यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स में शरिया कानून लागू है, क्या आप इंडिया में लागू करवाना?
अच्छा, आप शरिया भी चाहते हैं अभी?
तो
आप शरिया भी चाहते हैं?
नहीं,
भारत मुस्लिम देश कभी नहीं होगा. इंडिया विल नेवर बिकम an Islamic country.
You want to implement the UAE कानून in India.
What is the problem? What do you want to hide?
Go through the constitution.
What do you want to hide?
Go and read the constitution. Go read Article 40. Go and read Article 40.
And by the way, Sharia is only in personal matters, not civil matters. थोड़ा पढ़ लिख के आइए. बिना पढ़े लिखे मेरे प्रोग्राम में क्यों आते हैं? Why do you expose your ignorance? Sharia is only in personal matters.
ठीक है,
Forgot.
अभी तो आप कहते हो you want to law.
But I told you this.
आप अपनी डिबेट में कहते हो you want to implement Sharia in India. Now
you brought in Sharia. I don't even think about Sharia. You must be thinking सुबह शाम about Sharia. सुबह शाम आप शरिया 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 कर रहे होंगे. आपको सिर्फ शरिया दिखता है. भारत में रहते हुए शरिया चाहते हैं.
That is the problem. आपको शरिया दिखता है दिन रात. मेरा सीधा संपर्क.
हमने ट्रिपल तलाक निकाल दी, वापस नहीं आएगी.
लेकिन अब आप एक बात सुनिए मेरी तरफ से, ये देश संविधान से चलेगा, शरिया से नहीं चलेगा. आपकी ये जो नापाक इच्छा है ये इस देश के अंदर पूरी नहीं होगी. पहली बात.
बिल्कुल ये देश संविधान से चलेगा.
दूसरी बात, जब सावन का महीना चल रहा है और हमारे जो कांवड़िया हैं वो इतने मुश्किलों के साथ बारिश में धूप में कांवड़ लेकर के आते हैं और डाइटरी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होती हैं, एक तरीका होता है पूजा करने का, उसको भंग करने वाला कोई भी कौन होता है? एंड व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद क्यूआर कोड? यू टेल मी क्या प्रॉब्लम है क्यूआर कोड से?
लेट हर स्पीक. उसके बाद तला आफ्टर हर एक साथ नहीं प्लीज.
और उसके बाद कहता है ये शुद्ध वैष्णव ढाबा है, तो डोंट यू थिंक दिस इज रॉन्ग? डोंट यू थिंक दिस इज चीटिंग? आपको नहीं लगता कि ये गलत है? क्यों शुद्ध वैष्णव ढाबा वो लिखेगा? भाई आई एम फ्रॉम उत्तराखंड, मैं उस रोड से आती हूँ. केवल सावन के महीने में जब कावड़िया चलते हैं उस समय इस तरीके की रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होती हैं. बाकी टाइम पे कोई बॉदर भी नहीं करता है किसका ढाबा है. पर मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि जब आप लोगों के त्योहार होते हैं तो आप लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं भाई सब कुछ हमारे हिसाब से होना चाहिए. हर बार जब कावड़ यात्रा की बात आती है कोई ना कोई सुप्रीम कोर्ट पहुंच जाता है. हमारी कावड़ यात्रा बिना सुप्रीम कोर्ट पहुंचे हुए क्या समाप्त नहीं हो सकती है? क्या क्यूआर कोड में प्रॉब्लम है? हलाल के लिए आप लोग सर्टिफिकेट देते हैं, लिपस्टिक के लिए हलाल का सर्टिफिकेट, सीमेंट के लिए हलाल का सर्टिफिकेट, कोई कुछ नहीं बोलता. एवरीबडी इज क्वाइट.
वेट उनको बोलने दीजिए. बोलिए.
नोबडी इज हाइपरवेंटिलेटिंग, बट द मोमेंट कावड़िया यात्रा स्टार्ट्स यू ऑल स्टार्ट्स हाइपरवेंटिलेटिंग. आप लोग मतलब पता नहीं किस प्रकार की बातें करते हैं. कोई फिट कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है. इज दिस द वे यू ट्रीट हिंदुइज्म?
Allow me to respond.
You see, before you respond,
सबने सब
what is one point? What is listen? If you are going to New York City,
very important
in New York City आपको कागज दिखाना पड़ेगा. न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में आप रेस्टोरेंट करेंगे तो आपका नाम इंक्लूडिंग द नेम ऑफ द परमिट होल्डर, द ओनर एंड द ओनिंग एंटिटी, सब डिटेल्स दिखाना पड़ेगा और आप दिखाएंगे भी. मगर भारत में if somebody tells you show the name, oh Muslims are being targeted. Why are Muslims being targeted in New York?
The largest democracy.
No, you are being largest. Don't give me the largest democracy argument when you don't respect the sensitivities of Hindus, which is the largest religion in this country.
That is why I say you don't respect the constitution. Arnab, your problem is you don't follow the constitution. Constitution is
problem equality. Is that you want halal cement. The problem is you want halal cement, halal lipstick, you want halal soap, halal sugar, you want halal cola, halal Pepsi cola, halal atta, halal spices, halal pepper, halal coriander, halal chili, halal toothpaste, halal water bottles, halal cosmetics, halal shampoo, हलाल सोप.
सुनो अर्नब गोस्वामी, सुनने की ताकत
नहीं सुनने. हलाल डोसा बैटर,
सुनने की ताकत रखो अर्नब गोस्वामी.
हलाल बेसन,
इक्वालिटी की बात क्या तो मैं जरा
हलाल रवा.
मैं उनके माइंड को और थोड़ा सा नॉलेज देना चाहता हूं.
हलाल इलायची.
सुनो इक्वालिटी देखिए, सब
हलाल दालचीनी,
सब फेथ का सम्मान करते हैं.
हलाल बिस्किट्स,
अरे बोलने
हलाल टी,
लोग तो मालूम है.
हलाल टी पाउडर, हलाल कॉफी.
मैं भी आपको चुप करा दूंगा 2 मिनट में.
हलाल 2 मिनट नूडल्स, हलाल रस. क्या चुप कराएंगे आप?
मेरी बात.
टुमारो यू लास्ट फॉर हलाल शर्ट.
फिश आपका हलाल हराम सब बराबर कर देता हूं मैं. सुनो, हलाल हराम सब बराबर करता हूं. अभी आपका इक्वालिटी की बात करके संविधान की बात.
धमकी मत दीजिए.
सुनो, सब आस्था का सम्मान. अरे आपसे नहीं बात करो, अर्नब से बात करो.
बट व्हाई यू गिविंग धमकी? किसको धमकी दे रहे हैं आप? इज दिस द वे टू टॉक टू हर? इज दिस द वे टू टॉक टू हर? अपोलोजाइज टू ममता. इज दिस द वे टू टॉक टू हर? व्हाट डू यू थिंक इट इज? रोल अप योर स्लीव्स एंड ट्राई टू अटैक अ को-पैनलिस्ट. क्या ना बनना बोल रहे हैं आप? पहले अपोलोजाइज टू ममता.
अरे आप भी बेवकूफी निकले. अर्नब आप भी बेवकूफ निकले। सुनो मेरी बात, सुनो डरने का नहीं।
The biggest बेवकूफ in this debate is you.
कांवड़ यात्रा निकालेंगे, सड़क पे जाम,
You don't know how to speak to a co-panelist.
सड़क पे जाम करेंगे कांवड़ लोग, कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं लेगा, हम तो ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं लेंगे, लेकिन वहां पर मुसलमान 15 मिनट जुम्मा की नमाज पढ़ेगा तो ये अर्नब गोस्वामी चिल्ला पुकार करेंगे यहाँ, ये अर्नब गोस्वामी कुर्सी से उठेंगे, चिल्लाएंगे, यहाँ पे पागल के वापस चिल्लाएंगे अर्नब गोस्वामी।
Don't
Mamta.
Don't hyperventilate. If I'm telling you the truth, have the decency and guts to accept the truth. Tell me, why would you need a halal certificate for a lipstick? For coffee? For a shirt?
We don't object.
For cosmetics? For cement? Why would anybody need a halal certificate? क्या हलाल है उसमें? बताओ ना आप। क्या हलाल है उसमें? And don't threaten me, okay? Don't threaten me. Don't show me this attitude of yours. I am not here to take your attitude. And I remember who आप हो कौन? You are the same person जो आके बोलेंगे 15 करोड़, 100 करोड़, 15 मिनट में पुलिस।
Yeah, he is the same person.
No. अरे you may talk whatever rubbish you want to.
That is your style. This is how you have been threatening people. This is how you have been threatening all of us. You think that I am scared of you?
What is
listening to you? I have removed my earplugs. I don't even listen to such kind of rubbish.
Yeah, you don't want to hear it because it's true. Put your earplugs back.
Watching you. You are on the.
He'll run away now from the debate. I know he'll run away.
Everybody is watching you.
I am not allowed to make my point. I should be allowed to make my point.
Mamta.
You are a Notanki Baz number 1. I don't. You are Notanki Baz number 1 on the channel. You are just talking rubbish without any sense, without any merit to your point.
Disrespecting
don't know
me.
what you are talking.
You know, you are showing your values.
I don't listen to such rubbish.
Your upbringing. Yeah,
I don't listen to rubbish. Yes.
How does that matter to me? This is all happening because this is, you know, why Arnab? Because there is an order that on the route of Kavad Yatra, every shopkeeper will have to keep a QR code. And it is not for A, B or C, D. It is for every shopkeeper, be it Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. But look at these people. The moment the order came, these guys have started showing their true colors. What is the problem? Why should Abdul write that it is a Ram ka dhaba? Why should he write Shuddh Vaishnav dhaba when he is serving non-veg?
Go on.
Why should he write? Tell me. And why shouldn't these cowards have the right of, you know, going wherever they want to go and have their food?
I have removed my earplugs.
You don't want to listen. I'm not even
viewers,
interested. I'm not even interested whether you're listening or not. I'm showing
Mamta.
To the people of this country.
Mamta, we must the law also and the Supreme Court. Just 1 minute. Waris, can you be quiet for a minute? People want to listen to me, not you repeating every line like you always do without any knowledge basis. And especially a person like you, you've got a third-class law degree. You must have failed in your law and given compartmental exams and got past your exam. I don't think you know anything about the law. You are a failed lawyer. You don't know anything about the law. You should be expelled from the bar. If I ask you 3 questions on the law, if I ask you 2 questions on the law, if I ask you 2 questions on the law, I will expose you. I will ask you 2 questions and expose you on live television today. Viewers, I'm fed up with this man's arrogance, his communalism. He's the man who says 15 crore, 100 crore pe bhari honge. He's anti-Hindu. He's Hindu-phobic. He refuses to say Vande Mataram. He refuses to say Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Right? And he's a failed lawyer. I'm going to expose him on my program tonight in a merciless way. And unlike KBC, idhar koi phone a friend nahi hota mere program pe. Koi aapko nahi bachayega. I will roast you now. I am about to roast you. I will grill you. I will fry you on my program and you'll cry. You'll cry after some time like, you know, now listen to me. Yeah, now, anyway, I'll ask you a serious question. I'll ask you a serious question on the law. Ladies and gentlemen, the Indian Constitution, you know, you are behaving like that side artist on a program, you know. वो फिल्म में हर फिल्म में कॉमेडियन होता है ना साइड में.
They don't know
Yeah.
If they don't know how to behave with you,
Yeah.
I know how to behave with you.
Yeah, now
Because if you don't allow
I
me
want to
make
check
my
out
point,
your
I will
knowledge of the
behave with
law.
this manner.
Thank you. I want
Because
to,
you learn
viewers,
to
you see,
understand this language.
he's got a
You understand
jihadi
this language
mindset.
only.
He's an
But you
Islamist.
tell me
He's an
we have no
Islamist
objection to
jihadi
Rao
mindset.
taking out Yatra.
He has been
We have no
pro-terrorism,
objection.
and he says
Why?
whatever comes to his mind. He's also a person. He's also a person who's provocative, and I want to ask you, Waris Pathan. I'm asking Waris Pathan a question. There are two lawyers on the program. Now I want to ask Waris a question. Waris, listen to me. Don't be angry. I'm just going to expose you. Viewers.
First, don't reduce my feather. Have the guts, don't reduce my feather.
Put that page down. Don't behave like a comedian.
Don't reduce my feather. Don't reduce my feather. Don't run away like a coward. Have the guts to listen to me. Don't
Everyone
run away. Sitting on your channel, I'll
number one
expose you.
joker
I'll
on
expose
television
you.
is Waris
Today I
Pathan.
will expose you fully.
I'm surprised that Asaduddin Owaisi has not sacked him
That
till
name is given to Arnab Goswami.
अरे भैया इतना मत चिल्लाओ
That name is
बाहर
given to
निकल
Arnab
जाएंगे,
Goswami.
फटाफट निकलो।
Number one journalist joker of India.
Okay.
Number one joker of India, Arnab
Waris
Goswami.
Waris
Take
Pathan.
that from me, yes.
The Indian Constitution. What does
Number one joker in journalism is Arnab Goswami.
Okay, now number one channel. Thank you. Number one channel.
Number one.
Now, just be quiet, Waris. Why do you think you come back to
Number
me
one
on my
joker.
program every day when I keep insulting you? Because you know we have the highest viewership. Now the question is, what does Article 25 of the Indian Constitution guarantee? Article 25 of the Indian Constitution guarantees the freedom to practice, profess and propagate religion subject to public morality, order and health. I want you to argue your case for or against Kawariyas using Article 25 Clause 1. Can you use Article 25 Clause 1? My first open challenge to you.
I have the guts to sit on your channel and expose you, humiliate you, insult
What is Article
you, and call
25
you a
Clause
joker.
1?
This is what
What
I
is
want
Article
to do.
25 Clause 1? What is Article 25 Clause 1?
And you call your Pakistani
What is Article 25 Clause 1?
Call them.
What is Asaduddin Owaisi? If you're watching the program, your spokesperson has made an idiot of himself. He does not know Article 25 Clause 1. Please expose
it. Paying them money.
Yeah.
I will expose
Article
you fully.
25 Clause 1.
I will expose you.
Article 25 Clause 1, please.
Article 20. What do you want to do with that?
Oh, now he's pulling out his paper. Now he's reading from a book.
Freedom of conscience. Freedom of conscience
It's
and free
embarrassing.
profession. I had last time also a debate on this.
No.
Practice and propagation of religion. You know what is Article 25(1)(a)? You know that.
25
that is why
clause.
I say, allow the
25
Muslims to offer prayer on
Article
Fridays on the
25
road.
clause.
You won't allow. You can allow Kawadiyas to go on the road. You can allow Kawadiyas to block the
without
road. We
looking
have no
down,
objection.
without
But when a
looking,
Muslim wants to
without
offer
looking,
Friday
without
prayer for 10
looking
minutes,
down,
you have
without
objection. Why
the
your
book-
objection?
with- look-
This is this.
Read Article
Without looking down,
25
you cannot
Clause
utter a
2,
single word.
Package 2.
You are every day reading from what is given to you by your team.
Okay, but
Arey,
read
Arnab, you
Article
cannot
25
utter a single
Clause
word
2.
without referring to what is given to
Read
you by your
Article
team.
25 Clause
We
2.
argue on your channel openly.
Read Article 25 Clause 2.
Nothing in this article shall affect the operation of any existing law or prevent the state from making any law.
Okay.
Who is saying though? Nobody is doubting this. Same logic applies to the Muslims.
Now
Same
go to
logic
Article
applies to the person
21.
playing on the road.
Go to Article
The
21.
Kawadiyas have a right
Go to
to
Article
stay
21 now.
straight.
Go to Article 21.
Okay. Same applies to Muslims. Yes, Article 21. Right.
What a joker!
That is for
What
you.
a joker!
That is for you. I come here to educate you.
Now go to
I come
Article
here to
14,
educate
right
you
to
with the
equality.
right
Read
to
Article
educate.
14,
You must
right to
learn ethics from
equality.
me. You
Read
must
Article
learn law
14,
from
right to
me.
equality.
You must learn debate from me.
Read Article 14, right to equality.
First you will follow. If I read, will you follow that Article 14?
Open the page.
And then you have to follow
Open
and
the
say
page.
that yet I will allow
Open the
Muslims
page.
to offer Friday prayers
Open
on the
the
road.
page.
Like
Open-
Kawadiyas are
open
allowed
the
to
page.
block the road.
Open the
Like
page.
Kawadiyas are allowed to block the road. We
Open
have
the
no
page.
objection.
Open the
Tell
page.
that you cannot just read. Follow it. Follow Article 14. Follow the Constitution. Follow the Constitution by calling
So
Pakistan on your channel.
okay,
Nobody will support
now
you.
if you are quiet,
Don't call them.
Waris,
Don't pay them money and call them on your channel.
Waris,
Yeah.
you are
I
sounding
told you I
like
will sit on
you
your
are
channel
sounding
and I will expose you.
you are sounding like Sachin Waze. 1 minute. You are sounding like Sachin Waze. You are sounding like Sachin Waze wearing that suit outside Antilla after being caught trying to plant a bomb. Listen to me. Article 25 clause 1 means that Kawariyas have a right to consume food prepared in accordance with their religious dietary preferences. If somebody wants to have Sattvic food, Waris Pathan or Mujabir Rahman cannot force him not to have Sattvic food. If I want to have Sattvic food, I'll have Sattvic food. If I want to have food cooked by a Muslim, I will eat food cooked by a Muslim. If I want to have food cooked by a Hindu, I will eat food cooked by a Hindu. You can't stop me. Yes, Tala.
Individual right, not the state is not going to dictate that to me. That's an individual right that could be implemented by myself, not the state. The state is no one to go ahead and
okay,
dictate.
Tala, can I counter you? Tala, can I counter you? Tala, countering you. Tala, countering you. Tala.
Not make the rules.
Article 21.
Tala. Asking.
Before law, fundamental right.
Tala. Okay, now I'm getting Mujabir. The article prefixes a word subject to public order, morality and health. Okay, now listen to me, no? My having Sattvic vegetarian food is my morality. Therefore, asking for the identity of the maker of my food which goes into my body is not a violation of the article because it is subject to health and morality. Mujabir, do you understand?
That's a personal choice. Exactly.
Your whole argument is Hindus have no rights.
That's not going to be a state mandate.
Mujabir.
The state cannot put a dictate forward. That's unconstitutional. Understand that it's as easy as that.
Okay, now under clause 2. Under clause 2. Under clause 2. Article 25 clause 2A clarifies that nothing in the article shall affect state laws from regulating or restricting any economic or financial activity, which means the state government can take this act. It also is in line with Article 21, fundamental right to protection of life and personal liberty. For a Kawariya, you have your own rituals as Muslims, Hindus have their own rituals as Hindus. Having Hindu rituals is communal. Having Muslim rituals is secular. Ye kya hai? If there are Muslim rituals are secular. Hindu rituals are communal. Why?
No one who is telling the government to
why target Hindus all the time?
Put forward a dictate about halal products. Have you ever heard the Muslim demanding a dictate about halal products? Have you ever heard it? I'm a Muslim. If I want to eat something, I would go ahead and eat it. I don't want to eat something, I won't eat it. Have you ever heard a Muslim asking for a government dictate regarding halal products?
I'll tell you. Tala, 1 minute. Tala and Manju. See. Tala, listen. Tala, listen. Tala, listen, no, yaar. Please.
How long do you want me to?
Tala, listen to me now. The question is, okay, now see, you have meat. Now, you will not have jhatka meat. You will have halal meat because you're a Muslim.
That's my personal.
1 minute, that's your personal. So, oh God, so Muslims can have personal preferences about food, but Hindus become communal when they want to eat.
I don't understand this.
Manju, Hindus are communal, Muslims are secular. Madhuvanti.
I don't understand this logic. He has a personal preference to eat halal meat, but a Hindu does not have a choice to avoid onion and eating onion when he's on the yatra. I don't understand this logic.
Please
what do you mean by targeting Hindus all the time? And what is your problem if a QR code has to be displayed? What is your problem?
You know the law more than the Supreme Court. You don't have the faith in Supreme Court. The Supreme Court cancelled this order last year, and that's what.
No, the Supreme Court did not cancel any order. Even now, the Supreme Court has only asked for an explanation from the UP government. The Supreme Court did not cancel anything. What is your problem? What is your basic problem? That Hindus are uniting as a force and going on a yatra. You have a problem there. What is your basic problem? I do not understand why a QR code identity cannot be given. What are you hiding? What are you hiding? If a Hindu wants to eat from a Muslim stall, let him decide. Who are you to decide where that Hindu eats? In the month of Sawan, a Hindu has every right to follow the dietary restrictions that he wants to follow. What is your problem if a Hindu says, I want to know where I am eating from? You people want halal in shirt, halal in coffee, halal in lipstick, halal in... You want halal all over India. You want halal Bharat. That's what you people want. But if we want to have simple food, we want to ask a dhaba whether he's giving us the right kind of food when we go on a yatra. You people don't have the answer to give us, right? What sort of hypocrisy is this? What sort of
Oh, come on,
hypocrisy
you
is
know
this?
nothing
A
about
Hindu
halal.
cannot choose
Stay
where he
order.
wants to eat, but you people will want halal all over, spread all
You
over
go
this
ahead and
country.
eat from
Even
anywhere.
we have to accept
Go ahead and
halal
eat
rules,
from anywhere
but we
you
can't
want
ask
to
for a
eat. Go
proper
ahead and
diet
eat it.
when we go on a yatra. What hypocrisy is this? Don't be so
you are doing a
hypocritical.
hypocrisy. You are,
You
getting
are the ones who
exposed.
are
Your ecosystem
hypocritical
is
from
getting
the word
exposed.
go, because you do not understand
This
the sentiment of
ecosystem
a
does
Hindu
not
when he
have
goes
faith
on a
in the Indian
yatra. Because when it
constitution.
comes to a
You
Hindu,
don't have faith in
everything
the
is
Supreme
communal.
Court.
But
You
when it
don't
comes
have
to you
faith in the
people, everything is
Constitution. You
secular.
don't believe
I
in
don't
the
understand
Article
this line of
14,
thought at all.
21, Article
And you
25 of
suddenly
the
talk
Indian
about the
Constitution.
Constitution as though you are Baba Saheb Ambedkar. I don't understand your understanding of the Constitution in the first place.
Constitution. You don't have faith in the Supreme Court order. You are debating on the notice of the Supreme Court. If you had faith
Hello,
in the Supreme
I am
Court, you would have
saying the
accepted
Supreme
it.
Court
You
has
know
asked
nothing
the
about
government
it.
of Uttar Pradesh to give an answer in 1 week's
There's
time.
nothing
Are
called
you
halal
even
in
aware
IT.
of that?
There's nothing
I
called
know what
halal
I'm
shirt.
debating
There's
on.
nothing.
Do you know what you're
Automatically
debating on?
You're making
You're
your
screaming
own
and
fun on
shouting, not
national TV.
realizing what you're debating on.
Nothing
I know
called
what
halal
the Supreme Court has
elaichi,
asked the
halal
government of Uttar
butter,
Pradesh to
halal
do.
besan,
That is not the
halal
point of
shirt.
discussion
There's
here.
nothing like
The
that.
point
I
of
can only
discussion is
laugh
what is the
on your
problem in
wisdom,
displaying
on
a
your knowledge,
QR
on your
code?
education.
What is the
I
problem
can
in
only
displaying a
laugh.
QR code? What is the problem in displaying a QR code? What is your problem in displaying a QR code? What are you hiding? What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? What are you hiding? What is the problem in displaying a QR
Okay,
code?
one minute. Now you see, one minute. Okay.
Why do you want to display it only
Why
on
do you want to
Kavadiya?
know the
Why
name?
shouldn't
Okay.
I display the QR code? What are you hiding? What are you afraid of? What are you people afraid of? What are you afraid of? Tell me what you're afraid of. Answer my question. What are you afraid of? Why are you afraid to display the name on the QR code? Why shouldn't I demand that as a Hindu? When I'm on a yatra, when I have that
If Tala Amir Rashidi, just giving an example, Tala, 1 minute, I'll get Shantanu on the debate. Tala, just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. See, because now we have to decide. Is the law equal for all in this country? This Consumer Protection Act, does it apply for Hindus? Under the Consumer Protection Act, Tala, can you not try to complete my sentences? I'm saying something. Tala, can you be, Tala, if you're quiet, I can say something, otherwise I won't. I can shout you over, but I don't want to. I allowed you to say what you did, but now I want to make my point, and my point is this, that as far as I know, Consumer Protection Act 2019 says that citizens can be informed about quality, quantity, purity, standard and price of goods and services. Now, Kamariyas have a right to know the quality, quantity, purity, standard and price of goods. They have a right to safety, which is 291 of Consumer Protection Act. Consumer to be protected against goods or services hazardous to their life or property. Right to choose, 294 of the Consumer Protection Act. The right to choose the vendor from whom they want to buy their food from. Now, you are a situation here now. 1 minute. Shantanu, Mujibur and Shantanu are on the debate. Mujibur and Shantanu are on the debate. Please be quiet. I'm making a point. Shantanu is a Hindu, Mujibur Rahman is a Muslim. Okay?
Yeah.
Shantanu as a Hindu says, in this holy month, right, I will have sattvic food. I have to have sattvic food. I have to be extra careful that my sattvic food is not contaminated with anything else. As a Hindu, he has a right.
Yeah.
Mujibur says, I am a Muslim. I will have only halal meat. Because if I have jhatka meat, my religious sensibilities will be affected. I say, treat the Hindu and the Muslim equally. Mujibur as a Muslim can choose. He will go, and when Mujibur buys meat, I'm 100% sure he asks, is it jhatka, is it halal? I'm sure he double verifies that he's only having halal meat. I'm sure he checks the vendor. He knows which vendor, where is serving him halal meat and not jhatka meat. And I am not saying, Mujibur, you have to eat jhatka meat because I will be affecting, or I will decide where you will eat from because he will say, I'm a Muslim. Why are you crossing into my personal rights? Similarly, Mujibur cannot tell Shantanu.
Yeah.
Mujibur cannot even dare to tell Shantanu that Shantanu, you don't have a right. I have a right to have the meat of my choice from the place of my choice, but you being a Hindu must not have that right.
Exactly.
That is what it boils down to. Equal rights for all. No pseudo-secularism in this country. Shantanu versus Mujibur. Shantanu, make your point to Mujibur, then Mr. Rahman will respond.
And Arnab, in your...
Versus.
And Arnab, in your debate, their hypocrisy is completely, you have thrashed their hypocrisy completely. What a Kavaria is asking. Kavaria is saying, I am carrying liters and liters of water, I am walking barefoot, carry this Ganga Jal for the blessings for my country, for blessings for my city, for blessings for my family. I just want the food I want to eat. Just tell me what is your name, don't be an imposter. शिव ढाबा के पीछे अब्दुल को मत बिठाओ. That's all he's asking. कि मुझे बता दो who is cooking the food. That's all he's asking. He's not asking something very fancy. He's asking, I want to eat the food which I want to eat. That's all. Just tell me who you are. But this is the कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे syndrome is coming again. अब hide क्या करना है? What they want to hide? I remember when I was in UK, there is a Delhi ढाबा चला रहा है कोई पाकिस्तानी. Because they know उनके brand में खाएगा नहीं. पाकिस्तान ढाबा चला तो कोई भी नहीं आएगा वहाँ पे. I think they have an inferiority complex. उनको पता है कि हम लोग तो we are terrorist sympathizers. हमारे पास कोई आएगा नहीं खाने वाला. हम खाने में थूकते हैं. What all we do with the खाना? We have seen the videos. घी नहीं लगाते हैं रोटी पे. हिंदू घी लगाता है, हम सुस्सू लगाते हैं. So why will they come to? So वो क्या करेंगे? They will camouflage with some Hindu name. Oh, Hindu means purity name. Shiv Dhaba is purity.
Okay, let's get
purity. That's the mark of purity.
I think nobody should change their identity.
शूशू लगा चुके अब चुप हो जाए. Let me reply.
That's all. Just don't change your identity. अपनी identity change मत करिए. जो नाम है लगा दीजिए. नाम से क्यों शर्म आ रही है आपको?
शूशू तो let me.
Put your name.
You are not. Why? I can have any name. I have a right in the law. I can have any name. You are Arnab gave me gave the example of New York.
You have a right to be imposter.
UAE. They do not want to know the religion. They can have any name. State is not suggesting what name you should have. I can have a name Shiv. Why I cannot have? Even my religion. Why you want to know?
Thanks to you.
There is one more article.
You guys are exposed.
There is one more article, Article 17. There is Article 17 in the Constitution professing untouchability in any form or is unlawful and illegal and unconstitutional.
Then halal,
you are
then halal
promoting untouchability in 21st century.
Then halal certification. Then as
I will only ask Mujabir one question.
Who is stopping
Mujabir, I will only ask you one question. Mujabir, I'll ask you. Mujabir, can I counter you, please? Mr. Rahman, can I counter you with one counter question? Can I counter you with one counter question?
No,
I must.
No.
I must. And I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Just give me a moment.
I was silent for 40 minutes.
Exactly. I'll ask you a 10-second question. 10-second question. Do you choose the meat you eat and the place you buy your halal meat from?
You can choose whatever you want.
You do, no?
Why you want it?
But why can't Shantanu know?
What do you do, man?
Let me reply.
What do you do?
Let me reply.
Okay.
Let me reply.
Tell us
Let me reply.
Do you choose the meat you
Where
eat?
do you buy your meat from? Just tell us.
Do you choose the meat you eat when you buy halal meat? Why do you choose the meat you eat and where you get it from?
But the fasting in Ramadan is mandatory for every Muslim. But we can eat fruit
so eating sattvic is mandatory for every Hindu.
From any person. We don't ask religion who is growing the vegetables, who is selling the fruit.
So Sawan ke mahine mein there are restrictions on food.
The fasting is mandatory.
Why are you getting into Hindu customs? Mr. Rahman, why are you interfering in Hindu customs?
Can be Hindu without Kanwar Yatra.
Hindu custom छोड़ो ना, आपके नहीं समझ में आ पाएंगे.
We are not interfering. You are just promoting untouchability. You are working against the constitution.
No, Mr. Rahman, you are saying that you can change your name to Shiv. I agree, you can if you want change your name to Shiv. But if you open a restaurant, the name in your Aadhaar card is the name. The name in your Aadhaar card is the name that will be in the name of your restaurant.
Which law stops you?
You'll have to have your right name. No, you can't change your name. You can't mislead. You can't mislead.
Which law stops you?
You're right.
I can have any brand name.
Yeah, but your name won't change. No, you can say Shuddh Hindu Vaishno Dhaba, right? But if you are owning it, the name will be Shuddh Hindu Vaishno Dhaba, run by Mujabir Rahman.
If you open Al Kabir, if you open Al Noor, if you open Al Huda, if you open Al Bayd, why I cannot open?
But my name will still be Arnab Goswami, no? I can't change my name. I can't change my Aadhaar card name.
So why you?
I'm saying concealment क्यों हो रही है? That शांतनु बोल रहा है नाम छुपाने की जरूरत क्या है?
Anyway, under Shops Establishment Act.
What next?
Because they are ashamed of this name ना. उनको पता है कि हमारे नाम हमारे नाम पे मालूम है कि रोटी पे थूक लगाते हैं. Because they know Abdul Dhaba is associated with घी की जगह थूक लगाते हैं. They know what they add in juice. उनको मालूम है क्या है. Their name attached to what? वो कैसे कैमोफ्लेज करेंगे? नाम छुपाएंगे. नकली आधार कार्ड बनाएंगे. नकली नाम से शादी करेंगे. चिंटू पिंटू बन जाएंगे. चिंटू पिंटू बन गए थे.
कुछ भी
कहाँ से लाते हैं? Arnab, you should upgrade your guest team.
No, Mujabir. Look, I thought you're a lawyer. Argue by the law. Waris, you couldn't argue by the law. Give me one law. In your Waris, you see, you can't conceal your identity. Nobody's stopping you from starting a Shuddh Vaishnav Dhaba, but I have a right as a...
Okay, and if anybody...
Yes, you can't change your name.
If anybody is
why do you have this approach?
Selling something which is not liked by the Kavadias, then police machinery is there. Who has given them the right to go and ask for Aadhaar card, open them, strip them naked and eat them?
Nobody's stripping them naked.
That is what I'm saying. You have to follow the constitution. You
see, knowing
cops of the UP government are deployed.
Waris, knowing
now they will be blocking the road.
Waris,
taking objection.
Waris,
but if a Muslim prays for 15 minutes on the road on Friday,
okay, Waris,
there is hue and cry being done in the country.
Waris,
law equality.
Waris, what is continuing my legal education of yours because you have got a third-class law degree? Tell me Article 25 clause 2. Come on, pick up your book, read.
Arnab, first talk like a journalist, not like a joker.
Yeah, I'm asking you. You don't even know. Every time you ask you a clause of the law, you should be thrown out from the bar. You don't know Article 25. You don't know Article 19. You don't know Article 14. What kind of lawyer are you, man?
Propagation. I've read it. Every day I am giving you knowledge, but you are not accepting it. That is why people are now laughing. Don't become a laughing stock.
One of them is Arnab. They belong to that brigade which says कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे, अब नाम नहीं बताएंगे, है ना? नॉनवेज में झटका नहीं खाएंगे, अपनी मर्जी से हलाल खाएंगे, पोर्क नहीं खाएंगे, हमें पोर्क खिलाओगे तो ढाई तौबा मचाएंगे, है ना? भारत माता की जय भी नहीं बोलेंगे, शरिया से इस देश को चलाने की कोशिश करेंगे.
Okay, Waris. अच्छा चलो Waris, tell me Article 25 clause 1 बता दो. चलो एक ही तो बता दो. एक बता दो.
हम बकवास नहीं सुन.
Article 25 clause 1 बता दो.
बोल लेते उसको जितना बोलना है.
What do you mean बोल देते? कुछ तो पढ़. You don't know one clause of the law.
I won't listen to rubbish talks. That is my final answer.
No, why? It's incredible. You don't know Article 25 of the Constitution, and you are here to argue with me. You think I will leave you?
I am showing you the Constitution.
Showing me the you're behaving like Rahul Gandhi.
Implement the articles which are stated.
Rahul Gandhi also shows the Constitution. He couldn't answer my questions. The similarity between you and Rahul Gandhi is. The similarity between you and Rahul Gandhi, both of you evaporated when I started asking you questions. Why are you looking left and right? Help coaching kar raha hai aapka.
Similarity between you and somebody else.
Yeah, now I'll tell you one thing. If I ask you what is in alignment with the Constitution and what is not, I'm not telling you what to eat. You don't tell me what to eat either.
I am showing you Article 25.
Stop putting the book down. Put the book down.
I am talking about Article 25.
And what do we do? Literally, you show the cover.
This is my Constitution.
This is the cover of the Constitution. Oh God!
Take back your words and apologize.
You don't even know between the cover of the Constitution and a clause.
The Constitution, which nobody would accept in the country.
Even Pooja Mishra is laughing at you. Even the Samajwadi Party is laughing at you. You've given a lot of entertainment on my program.
I don't care.
Pooja.
I don't feel like it's any debate. You gonna beat the laughter, all laughter shows. This is gonna happen.
No, but Pooja, if Mamta Kale wants to have Sattvic food, if Hindus want...
Go into that, you are not debating on the
But
fact.
Pooja, there is... Pooja, according to the law...
You have called us to see a comedy show.
Pooja, you need to understand that
congratulations in advance.
Well, Pooja, you don't understand.
You'll bait him.
Pooja,
in comedy.
requiring the vendors to display their names promotes transparency and non-discrimination. This ensures.
And this is into the law. You have to present your firm name and proprietor name. That's
Yes.
already in law, and if it's not implemented,
So
then
what
it
is
the
wrong in
failure
showing
of
the name?
At least
I didn't say that there is anything wrong in showing the name.
Shopkeepers
I
are not
didn't
even
say
displaying
nobody
their
said it. Nobody
license.
said
One minute.
And I
Pooja,
don't know how
when you scan the QR code, what comes up? The name of the vendor only, no?
And how the purity is decided by the name? Then why this Fasai is mad? Why the food inspector is
Why
there?
are you
They
all
should have given
hyperventilating
certificate.
over-
No, sorry.
Okay, how is purity decided by the name? Counter from Mamta.
Say, give the purity to the food
I just want to.
Okay, closing. Closing, ladies and gentlemen. I have to close. It's a hot debate, but I have to close. I'll have to take this debate forward another time. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you. This matter will be dealt with in the courts of public opinion, but finally in the courts of law. Let's see what argument the UP government and the Uttarakhand government put. I'll see you tomorrow with the issues that matter and the news story that's breaking. Good night and goodbye.
For a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जलजीरा मसाला। सिप सिप जीरा सिप